Okay, so what we have here is a Logitech K780 multimedia keyboard attachment compatible with Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android and iOS. Okay, the reason for this video is not to only unbox the item, because the item has actually been sold on eBay, and this is just for proof and reference as well. So obviously just to avoid any sort of funny behavior, so any sort of high value item like this thing here. It's not too high value but high enough to warrant this video. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open it, so let's see for yourself inside. Okay, have your instruction leaflet here, and the keyboard is just here. Under the keyboard you've got some step-by-step instructions of how to connect it and everything as well, and also it tells you that there's also a unifying this sort of receiver as well, which will verify that's in here as well. So let's just slide it out of the packet here. This part here, we'll just see if that opens up. Don't know how you open this part up, but just figure it out now. There you go. So it just slides down this part here, up this little panel up, and it has a small little receiver there as well, and also you put two AAA batteries just in there as well. As you can see, the item, so as described, has this sort of design to the top as well. It's like a rubberized sort of finish, and it's designed to be grippy, so if you put a tablet in here, it'll grip. Keys all seem fine, everything else looks okay. Now I haven't actually tested it myself, I'm not going to actually test it right now, and but obviously you've got the switch and buttons here as well. But that's the keyboard. I hope the buyer of this item appreciates that he's getting a deal on the on Ace Outlet, and hope he enjoys it. And if there's any issues and if anything is missing, I can say that this is the video that I've made in advance. So this has been filmed as of today. What is today's date? Today's date is the 31st of May 2020. So thank you for viewing, and yeah, goodbye.